Four people are set to appear in the Vredenburg Magistrate's Court today in connection with the disappearance of 6-year-old Joshlin Smith. Joshlin vanished from a home in the Middelpos informal settlement in Saldhana nearly 3 months ago. It sent shockwaves through the community and prompted a widespread search. Despite extensive efforts, Joshlin's whereabouts today still remain unknown, leaving her family and community in a continued state of distress. Among the four accused, though, is Joshlin's own mother, Kelly Smith, and her boyfriend, Jacquen Appollis. And they stand accused of trafficking and kidnapping. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi Same joins us live for more outside court. Nasiphi, good morning. Just tell us, again, there's been a heightened level of community interest in developments in the case. This case back in court today. What are you hearing around you?
Well, before we go into those details, we'll just show you the people that have gathered outside the Vredenburg Magistrate Court, as you put it, ahead of the appearance of the four accused who are appearing for the first time together before court, and they all face the charges of human trafficking, including kidnapping. And as you put it, it's been 3 months since the disappearance of Joslin, nearly 3 months since the disappearance of Joshlin Smith from her home in Middelpos in Saldhana Bay. And while extensive searches both locally and just last month, the Minister of Police indicating that the net has also been casted beyond the borders of South Africa, she has yet to be found. And the NPA also indicating that they will indeed be opposing the bail of the four accused that will be appearing not too long from now inside the Vredenburg Magistrate Court facing those charges. And we haven't been able to speak to any of the family members of those who are appearing before court today. However, it will be quite interesting to see what the outcomes will be today, taking into account that it is the first time that the four are appearing together before the court today.
Nasiphi, one again would imagine that tensions are quite high. There was a lot of criticism in the first appearance of Joshlin's mom in court of answers of initially the sluggishness of the police investigation, the non-following up of certain leads, massive community involvement right from the very start. I imagine that position has not changed today.
Speaking to the people that are here and some of the community leaders, many of them indicating that all they want to hear now from the four accused is for them to point in the direction where Joshlin Smith will be found. And SAPS, or rather police, also indicated that investigations are continuing. The provincial commissioner, the last time we were at court last month, indicating that while investigations continue, they are still looking for Joshlin Smith. And as I put it earlier on, that the Minister of Police last month said that they were indeed working with an international organization, and there was indeed a vessel that had docked in Cape Town or Saldhana Bay that left around the time that Joshlin Smith had been reported missing, and the community, including law enforcement officers, were looking for her. So they did indeed, for about 2 days, extensively search a vessel. However, close to 3 months, she has not been found, and questions are yet to be answered. Community saying that they are in the dark, and the last time we were here, the numbers had dwindled significantly. And speaking to somebody outside, they said that people are a bit relieved that there are 4 people that have been arrested, hence why now they're allowing the police to do their work in terms of the investigations and hopefully find Joshlin Smith.
Nasiphi Same, we'll come back to you later when that appearance gets underway.